Hi guys, my name is Leo and you're watching Learn Punjabi with Leo and welcome to my channel. So guys, today we're going to learn about the personal pronoun in Punjabi language. So let's get into the video without further ado. Okay guys, so first of all we have here is personal pronoun, which we are going to discuss today. In Punjabi, it is known as Zati, Ism or Isme Zati, and on the Indian side it is known as a Purkhvachak. Okay, so before continuing this video further, I just want to make clear that if you want to know what is pronoun and what are its type, you can check my previous video or I can link that video in this video, and if you want to know about the pronoun. So let's get back to the video. So I was saying that the personal pronoun is known as Zati pronoun in the Punjabi language, and on the Indian side it is known as Purkhvachak or Purkhvachak. And what is the definition of personal pronoun? The definition of personal pronoun is that it is used for oneself or for the personal use. That's why it is known as a personal pronoun. So the personal pronoun in the Punjabi language are I, you, this and that, which are in the English, but in the Punjabi it is main, tu and a, o. So the pronunciation of this a in Punjabi language varies from area to area. So some people say it like a, some people say it like a or o. Okay, so you don't have to get confused with the pronunciation of this particular word. Okay, so personal pronoun is further divided into three types of pronoun, which is first person pronoun, second person pronoun, and then third person pronoun. So let's study the first person pronoun. The first person pronoun is I in personal pronoun. And the second person pronoun is you, tu. And then the third person pronoun in the personal pronoun is this, that, a, o. Or a, o. Okay, so now what we're going to do is to study the personal pronoun shapes and form and cases. So first of all we are going to learn about the shape and form of the personal pronoun with respect to number. So in personal pronoun there are the shape of the personal pronoun change with respect to number, and that is there are two types of number in the personal pronoun of Punjabi language. So first of all the number is singular and then it is plural for the personal pronoun. And if we check out the first person pronoun of a personal pronoun, then the singular one would be main. Okay, and if you are collectively saying to many people, then the shape would be changed into plural, which is assi, which mean we in English language. And if we look at the second person pronoun in the personal pronoun of the Punjabi language, then it is tu for the singular, okay, and tussi for the plural, which is you all. Okay. And if we look at the third person of a personal pronoun of Punjabi language, then there is a o. This doesn't change in Punjabi language, it remains the same in the plural form of it, which is a and o. Okay, so now what we are going to do is to learn about the pronoun cases. So personal pronoun of Punjabi language have 6 kind of cases. So number 1 is direct. So, and then we have is a indirect or oblique, and then we have a instrumental, and then is a dative, and then it is a ablative, and then it is a genitive, and then possessive. So direct is a kind of a case in which the person is the one who is doing an action directly. So in direct case, the first person pronoun of personal pronoun of Punjabi language and the second person pronoun of personal pronoun of Punjabi language remain the same, but on the third person changes with respect to oblique cases of the Punjabi language. So the third person in oblique cases of a personal pronoun of Punjabi language, its form change. For example, in direct form, we have learned that it is main, tu, e, o. But in oblique case of a personal pronoun of Punjabi language, the a, o changed. For example, it changed into ehnaa, uhnaa, ehnaa or uhnaa. So let me just tell you that what is a oblique. So oblique is a kind of form in which the person is not doing the work directly. So it's doing the work indirectly. So for example, let's take an example. So they did work, okay. ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਕੰਮ ਕੀਤਾ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਕੰਮ ਕੀਤਾ. So they're doing work indirectly. So that's the main reason why the form of direct personal pronoun in oblique case of the personal pronoun changes into ehnaa, uhnaa. Okay guys, so now what we are going to do, we are going to learn about the instrumental case of personal pronoun of Punjabi language. So in instrumental case of personal pronoun of Punjabi language, only third personal pronoun form change, which mean that the third personal pronoun is a, o. So it will be changed into ehnaa, uhnaa. So let's take an example in the sentence form. So he did this, ਇਹਨੇ ਇਹ ਕੀਤਾ, ਇਹਨੇ ਇਹ ਕੀਤਾ. Okay, so in dative case of personal pronoun of Punjabi language, so dative mean to receive, the person who is a recipient of anything. So in that case, these four pronouns are used. For example, ਮੈਨੂੰ, ਤੈਨੂੰ, ਇਹਨੂੰ, ਉਹਨੂੰ. Okay, so I'll repeat once again for you. ਮੈਨੂੰ, ਤੈਨੂੰ, ਇਹਨੂੰ, ਉਹਨੂੰ. So if we take a sentence, he gave me, ਇਹਨੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਦਿੱਤਾ, ਇਹਨੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਦਿੱਤਾ. So now we're going to learn about the ablative case of personal pronoun of Punjabi language. So ablative mean a resource. Okay, so there are three kinds. Basically there are two kinds, but I have written the different forms, like people from area to area, the pronunciation of the words change. So that's why I have written different kind of the ablative case of personal pronoun. So मेथों, okay, and then it's मेरे कोलों, मेरे तो, and then it's तेथों, and then it's तेरे कोलों, and then it's तेरे तो, तेरे तो. So if we take example of this ablative case of pronoun in the Punjabi language, so in the sentence form basically, so it would be I did this, मेरे कोलों होया ए कम, मेरे कोलों होया ए कम. So I am the resource, so that's why I'm saying मेरे कोलों होया ए कम. Okay guys, so now what we are going to do is to learn about the genitive possessive case of personal pronoun of Punjabi language. So in genitive or possessive case of personal pronoun of Punjabi language, you already know that what is the meaning of genitive or possessive. So genitive or possessive mean to possess something, to have a authority onto something. In genitive possessive personal pronoun of Punjabi language, there is a first person pronoun and then is a singular and then plural, and then it is divided into masculine and feminine. So in singular it is mera, sada, mine, my, sada, ours, our, ours. And then in the plural form it is, if we change the singular form of masculine into plural form of masculine, it would be mere, sade, mine, ours. And if we check out the feminine form of a singular case of first person pronoun of possessive or genitive personal pronoun, then it would be meri, sadi. And then if we check out the plural form of this feminine genitive case, then it would be meriya, sadiyan. It simply means mine, ours, and mine, ours, our. So if we check out in a sentence form, it would be like this: this is my book or books. Okay, if we take into a singular plural case. Okay, so this is my book, eh meri kitabe, eh meri kitabe. Okay, so here book is showing a feminine gender in this sentence, so that's why it is meri used in this sentence. And if we check out the plural form of this sentence, which is these are my books, then it would be eh meriyan kitaban ne, eh meriyan kitaban ne. So you can see that meriyan is used. Okay guys, so now what we are going to do is to check out the second person pronoun of genitive case of personal pronoun in Punjabi language. So singular, plural, and then there is a differentiation between masculine and feminine. So in singular it is tera, twada of masculine case, and in the plural form it is tere, twade, which means yours, your. And then in the feminine case it is teri, twadi, and teriyan, twadiyan. Now let's take an example in the sentence form, which is it is your book, eh teri kitabe, because kitab is a feminine, so that's why we are using teri in the sentence. And these are your books. So books are plural, and plus the book is feminine, so we will use eh teriyan kitaban ne. Okay, eh teriyan kitaban ne. Okay, so now guys, what we are going to learn is the third person. So third person of genitive possessive case of personal pronoun in the Punjabi language. So again it is divided into singular, plural, and masculine and then feminine. So in singular it is eda, which is its, oda, his, because it is masculine. So in the plural form it would be ede, ode. And then in a feminine case it is edi, and then odi, it's, her, and then ediyan, and then odiyan, hers. And then if we take a sentence example, then it would be this is my room. Actually I did a mistake, so here it would be like this is his, her. Okay, eda kamra hai, eda kamra hai. If we translate this sentence, this is his, her room, eda kamra hai. So the thing is this, the Punjabi is a very technical language, okay? So it doesn't matter that the his or her is used right now, because it's a the noun sensitive sentence, okay? Because room has a gender which is masculine, okay? So it doesn't matter that his her room is, we always use eda kamra hai for both his and her. So okay guys, so this was the video. I hope you have learned something informative about the Punjabi language, and if you do, kindly subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell so that you can have my latest video notification every time I upload the video. And I'll be back with another informative video about the Punjabi language. Up until, make sure you like this video, give a thumbs up, and share as much as you can so that our Punjabi language get recognition internationally.